Thank you for attending my podcast. I am Daisy Taylor and your host. Today's topic is, are you using AI to code better? Better yet, you can comply with GxP. Today's podcast emphasizes the importance of adhering to GxP standards in software development. Highlight common pitfalls in implementing coding standards to ensure compliance and best practices. Introduce AI as a powerful tool to enhance compliance and efficiency in coding. CodiumAI is an open-source, telemetry-free variant of VS Code focused on community-driven development. It is lightweight, fast, customizable, and available across multiple platforms: Windows, macOS, Linux. Let us talk about key features and benefits. First, data security. CodiumAI uses two-way encryption, SOC 2 Type 2 certification, and TLS SSL for secure payment. It also ensures user data privacy with an opt-out option for data used in model training. Second is code integrity. CodiumAI helps maintain adherence to corporate coding standards. It enhances code quality and reliability by reviewing code bases for standards, best practices, and templates. It provides code optimization tools to improve readability, efficiency, and maintainability. Third, commenting standards. The PR agent feature supports multiple comments per line, promoting thorough code reviews and clearer communication. It ensures code complies with commenting guidelines, making code easier to understand and maintain. Fourth, code traceability. It analyzes code to link requirements, design components, and test cases, ensures comprehensive requirement coverage, and facilitates effective change management. Fifth, code dependency diagrams. CodiumAI visualizes relationships between different parts of the code. It helps identify potential issues, optimize code, and maintain project structure. Sixth, change impact analysis. It evaluates the effects of code changes on other modules or dependencies, aids in risk assessment and prioritizing testing based on potential impacts. Seventh, unit testing. It automates test creation, saving time and effort, allows customization of test suites, and improves testing accuracy with the TestGPT model. Eighth, code analysis. Provides insights into code structure and behavior, enhances documentation, verification, bug identification, and overall code performance. Ninth, code reviews. Automates the code review process to identify potential issues and ensure best practices. Generates test suites, detailed code explanations, and offers a pull request assistant for streamlined reviews. In conclusion, CodiumAI significantly improves software development efficiency and compliance with corporate and GxP standards, enhances code reviews, analysis, traceability, unit testing, and more, making it an invaluable tool for developers. Thank you for watching.